Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm your host Maheen. Let's roll the intro. So today I'm going to talk about volleyball. I'm also going to tell some of the health related as well as skill related fitness drills which are going to improve your overall game in volleyball. But before that, we are going to perform some general as well as specific warm up to do this activity. So let's start the video.
Before starting any kind of physical activity, it's very important to tone up your muscles or get ready for that activity because your muscles are there in a passive state, and with spontaneous actions in physical activities or sudden jerk, injury may occur. So, for preventing all of these things, one should warm up his muscles before performing any kind of physical activities. So here we are going to perform some of the general warm up in which we are going to perform some dynamic stretching, as well as we are going to improve the mobility of the muscles by performing various kinds of exercise from head to toe, in which there are many exercises in general like shoulder rotation, hip rotation, neck rotation, side stretches, etc. So these are the kinds of exercise which are going to be covered in our general warm up, and for preparation of the frontal activities we are also going to perform some specific warm up. Specific warm up are necessary for the specific kind of muscle in our body. Those muscles which are going to
Now we are
support
going to
the whole
perform some
physical
specific
activity
warm up.
are
For
being
that,
targeted by specific warm up. The kind of warm up which includes these specific muscles and target those, so that the muscle is continuously ready to perform the kind of activity which he is going to be witnessing in the particular game. In the first drill, we are going to perform a shuffle drill, which is being used by a defender to defend the ball or block the ball while the opponent is spiking the ball. This drill will improve your vertical jump and also improve your overall blocking skills of the game. The next drill is a 3-step drill in which we are going to perform the 3-step which is being used by a spiker or also by a defender to block or spike the ball. This drill will improve the vertical jump and judgment of the ball while the setter is setting the ball in the real game. The next drill, we are going to perform it with a resistance band. We are going to tie our waist with the resistance band so that a resistance will always pull you back, and it will also improve our speed. In this drill, we are going to attempt the passes in all the direction so that in the game situation we are going to be swift with the movement while the ball is coming towards us. This drill will improve the overall accuracy of the player. In the next drill also we are going to use a resistance band, but this time we are going to use it for improving the speed of the spike. We are using the resistance band with both the hands and mimicking the spiking position so that while spiking the power on the ball and the speed on the ball will increase. This drill will improve the swiftness of the athlete on the ball. The first drill is all about balancing the ball both with under and upper arm passes so that you can maintain and control the ball in any given situation in the game. It's very important to have your balance and control over the ball throughout the movement. You can also change the types of passes you are doing on this particular drill. The next drill lays focus on the agility of the athlete. Volleyball is the game of the most agile player, so to improve the agility with the control over the ball, we are going to perform this particular drill in which the subject is being given the ball in different direction between the two planted cones, and he or she is going to shuffle around and hand over the ball from where it is being thrown to the athlete to improve the setting skills of the athlete too.
The next drill is all about throwing the volleyball as far as you can. This drill will improve the explosive strength of the subject and also very much important to check the flexibility and power in the upper limbs of the subject. So try to throw the volleyball with utmost power and strength possessed by you.
Performing this particular drill, we didn't need any specific equipment. We just need a volleyball and a ball. So today we are going to perform this skill and I'm going to show you how can you improve this particular skill. So let's start it.
The first skill related fitness drill is underhand pass. For performing this drill, the subject had to keep his both arms joined and flat. He should always receive the ball on his forearms and his knees should be slightly bent. While doing this drill with wall, it improves the reaction time of the subject. The next skill related fitness drill is overhead pass. For performing this drill, the subject had to keep his both arms up and straight. He should always receive the ball on his fingers and the palm should not hit the ball. Try to make a diamond shape between fingers of your arms and receive the ball out there. The next drill is the combination of the first and second drill. This drill helps to improve the coordinative ability of the subject. Try to perform one overhand pass and one underhand pass alternatively without taking any break in between the two skills. Try to balance in between the skills. The last skill related fitness drill would be the backhand pass. This is a very important drill to maintain your prominence during setting or passing the volleyball from both front and back end. It also confuses the opponent about your next spiking side. It provides you an ample opportunity to score a point.
At the end of any physical activity, game or sports, it's very important to cool down or limber down your whole body. Cooling down or limbering down exercises include slight running. At the same point of time, when we are performing warm-up, then we are giving a timing stretching to our body. At the same point of time, in cooling down, we are going to give static stretching to our muscles so that they can help in its recovery. As I told, cooling down helps in the recovery of your muscles and also reduce the soreness which you get from the physical activity. So it's very important to perform cooling down as well as warming up before and after doing exercise.
So as I told you about the different skill and health related volleyball drill today, I hope this video will find you useful and you will improve your volleyball skills with that. With saying that, I will end this video and hope you like this video.